When you guys do problems that look like these ones, what was your results? Like, how many terms did you guys get when you multiplied them?
3.
These ones right here, you did? Like, you got 2 or 3?
I got 3.
Okay, so you got a binomial or a trinomial? Okay, so here, check this out. Let's try one of them to see. I'm gonna do letter B right here. Whoops. Let's do. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we get a bi, but we're gonna find out. Why do you guys laugh when I say bi? You guys. X plus 4, and then x minus 4. So I just wrote this term up top, this term on the side. All right, let's check this out. X times x is x squared. X times 4 is going to give you 4x. X times negative 4 is going to give you negative 4x. And then the last one, negative 4 times positive 4 is going to be negative 16. Okay, now I'm doing a little shortcut thing here. I know that these are like terms, so I'm going to add those up. If I add a negative 4 and a positive 4, what do you get? They cancel out. They go to 0, right? So these almost like they just go away. And what am I left with? I'm left with x squared minus 16. So there's your binomial. Okay. Now that happens actually with all of these. This one you get x squared minus 1. This one you get x squared minus 49. This one you get 4x squared minus 9. It's a pattern. You can follow the pattern. Wait, did I multiply wrong?
It's 2x.
Guys, all of those are correct.
It's 2x.
Okay, you guys are having a hard time with this one? Is that the one you're saying? Okay, check it out. All right, if I set up my table, I would put 2x right there, and then a minus 3, 2x, and then a plus 3. What is 2x times 2x?
4x squared.
Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4. And then what's x times x?
X squared.
X squared. Okay, then this one would be 2 times negative 3, so it would be negative 6, but don't forget your x. And then we have a 2x times 3, that would be a 6x, and then the last one would be a negative 9. You guys with me still? These ones cancel out, right? So what do we have to look for right here to know that the middle term is going to cancel out? Yeah.
I didn't get that you had. I thought you just had to square root the x. I didn't think you had to multiply the 2.
Oh, yeah, no, you had to multiply the 2's. Yeah, you had to multiply the 2's. Okay, good job, Isabel. I like that. I like what you said. You said you look to see if these are the same, right? But then you look to see like if one's a positive and one's a negative, right? Like one has to be positive and one has to be negative. So like there's an x, there's an x. There's a 4, there's a 4. And one's positive, one's negative. So this one says there's a 2x and a 2x and a 3 and a 3. One's negative and one's positive. And so if you have that, then you're going to be able to just do the shortcut, which is awesome. You just take the first term, like right here. I took the first term, I squared it, and I got 4x squared. And I took the second term, I squared it, I got 9, and it's always minus in the middle. Okay, now this has a special name. It's called a difference of squares. A difference of squares, because they're almost a perfect square, but one's a positive, one's a negative. Now you guys see them like this. This is just kind of an extra thing. If it was saying actually negative x plus, I don't know, 3, and it said positive x plus 3, this is also a difference of squares, because one of them has a different sign. And if you do this one out, you're going to get the same results that you did over here. Well, they're similar results. But anyways, that's just inside extra notes. Good job, guys. So when you go down and you look at this one, we talked about the patterns right here. It wants you to make a formula. I don't like formulas. See the difference of 2 squares? I don't like formulas, but if you just created a box and put this stuff in there, you create the formula without even like thinking that hard. So you have a and negative b. If I do this, I'm going to get a squared. I'm going to get ab, and this is going to be negative ab. And the last one's going to be negative b times b, which is negative b squared. These cancel out, just like before. I get a squared minus b squared. Boom. There's your difference of squares formula.